All right, for all you developers out there, you know the drill. You write your code, you hit compile, and, well, it just works. But what if I told you that the most powerful tool you use every single day is still kind of a mystery? Well, this holiday season, that is all about to change.
I mean, seriously, think about it. How well do you really know your compiler? For most of us, it's like this magic black box, right? We pour our C or C++ code into one end, and a perfectly good executable pops out the other. But what's actually happening in between? What kind of secret sauce is it using to make our code run so fast? It's a gap in knowledge for a lot of us. Well, get ready, because this December, we are finally getting a look under that hood. A brand new series is launching that's going to demystify the whole process. It's going to show us exactly how our code gets translated into those super optimized machine instructions that your processor actually understands. So what is this thing? Well, its official name is the Advent of Compiler Optimizations. And that name, it gives us a massive clue about its really cool and unique format. Yep, you heard that right. It is literally an advent calendar for coders. Starting on December 1st and running all the way through to the 25th, a brand new piece of content is going to drop every single day. Think of it like a daily gift of pure knowledge, counting down the holidays with some seriously deep technical insights. And we're not just talking about a quick daily tip here. No. Each topic gets the full treatment. You get a detailed, in-depth blog post if you're the type who loves to read all the nitty-gritty details. And you get an explainer video that shows you the concepts in action, so you can learn in whatever way works best for you. Okay, just in case anyone's new to this, let's do a super quick breakdown of the core idea. Compiler optimization. It's all about the incredibly clever tricks a compiler pulls to make your code run faster and use less memory. And here's the crucial part. It does all of this without changing what your code actually does. It just makes the code you already wrote better, automatically. Now, you're probably wondering who would take on such a massive project. So let's meet the creator, a name that I bet a lot of you are going to recognize instantly. This series comes from the one and only Matt Godbolt. If you have ever used the amazing Compiler Explorer tool at godbolt.org, and let's be real, who hasn't? That's him. He's a C++ developer at Hudson River Trading, and he also co-hosts the Two's Complement podcast. To put it simply, when it comes to compilers, this guy really knows his stuff. And this quote from his announcement just says it all, doesn't it? It perfectly captures the passion behind this whole thing. This isn't some dry academic lecture series. It's a genuine, heartfelt effort to share a deep love for the incredible technology that's humming away inside our compilers. Okay, so we know the format, we know the creator, but what are we actually going to be learning? What kind of optimizations are we going to see when we pop open that hood? And the series is promising some real depth. It's not just going to be a list of optimizations. We're going to see everything from tiny low-level tricks to big high-level strategies. But here's the most important part. The goal is to teach us how to actually see these things in the assembly code. We're going to learn how to spot not just what the compiler did, but when it does it, and just as importantly, when it can't. And get this, it's not just focused on your desktop CPU. While x86-64 will be the main focus, we're also going to see examples for 64-bit and 32-bit ARM. Now, this is huge. It means these lessons are going to be relevant whether you're working on massive cloud servers, building mobile apps, or even programming tiny embedded devices. The scope is just incredibly broad. So why should you make time for this during a busy December? How is this knowledge actually going to impact your day-to-day work as a programmer? This right here is the heart of it. This series gives you a chance to level up, to go from being someone who just writes code to someone who deeply understands what's happening to that code. Once you know how the compiler thinks, you can start writing code that helps it help you. And that leads to faster, more efficient programs every time. So, if you are as excited as I am and you're ready to dive in, here's exactly how to do it. You can follow the AO 2025 tag on Matt's blog for all the written posts. You can subscribe to his channel on YouTube, or probably the easiest way, just follow the official YouTube playlist where all 25 videos are going to be collected. And we really have to take a moment to appreciate the effort here. Matt himself said this has been a colossal amount of work, a project that's been cooking for about a year, and it's being delivered totally free as a genuine gift to the entire developer community, just fueled by a passion for sharing this knowledge. So as we wrap up, I'll leave you with this question. Every single day, You write code that has hidden potential inside of it. Potential for more performance, more efficiency, and this December, you're going to get a new key every single day to unlock those secrets. The only question is, what will you discover?